This is the Rock. It's a beautiful, hardened, 3-atmosphere, waterproof, swimmable smartwatch. Beautiful, bright, any angle viewable screen, lots of controls, Bluetooth connection, flashlight in here, theater mode for when you're indoors, a lot of brightness capability to this one, weather in whatever city you put in, and of course all of your different settings, including turning it off, your QR code about the watch, resetting it, and these different modes that we saw already, including stopwatch, alarm, and countdown timer. In addition to that, you've got your sports activities, steps for the day, and all kinds of information that goes with it. You've got your last night's sleep time and comparison over several different nights. You can measure your heart rate and get continuous heart rate charts right on the watch. You've got an exercise area with a variety of different sports, sit-ups, dumbbells, all kinds of things, skiing, swimming, of course, basketball, football, tennis. It just goes on and on and on. Your standard walking, running, and cycling as well, but no GPS. It's all based off a step count. You also have blood pressure measurement, blood oxygen measurement, and each of these have the 7-day or last 7 entry comparisons and so forth. You've got, again, the weather in your area with the forecast in here, centigrade or Fahrenheit. You have a shutter to take a picture from your phone and connection with a music player that shows you on your watch what you have playing on your phone. Back here, you got a few different watch faces that you can play with, including a selectable watch face from a variety of them. And here's a wild one with temperature, step count, and time is a little bitty thing up in the corner. So you got a lot. On this side, you've got the Apple layout to see everything in a different kind of a look, which is pretty cool. And if you go in here and set up the start watch and run it, it's locked, man. You can't do anything. There's no way out of it without actually stopping the stopwatch, which makes it a really great opportunity to show you that this puppy is truly waterproof. Check it out, the Rock.